Noun, adjective, and adverb clauses 1. Let us do a review of noun clauses, adjective clauses, and adverb clauses in the following 3 lessons. A clause is a group of related words which has both a subject and a predicate. A clause is different from a phrase because a phrase is a group of related words which lacks either a subject or a predicate or both. Adjective clauses. Adjective clauses modify nouns or pronouns. An adjective clause nearly always appears immediately following the noun or pronoun. To test for adjective clauses, there are a couple of questions that you can ask. Which one? Which kind? Most adjective clauses begin with who, whom, which, or that. Sometimes the word may be understood. The words that or who, for example, might not specifically be in the sentence, but they could be implied. To determine the subject of a clause, ask who or what, and then insert the verb. For example, the book that is on the floor should be returned to the library. Occasionally, an adjective clause is introduced by a relative adverb, usually when, where, or why. For example, home is the place where you relax. Adverb clauses. Adverb clauses usually modify verbs, in which case they may appear anywhere in a sentence. They tell why, where, under what conditions, or to what degree the action occurred or situation existed. Unlike adjective clauses, they are frequently movable within the sentence. For example, when the timer rings, we know the cake is done. Or, we know the cake is done when the timer rings. Adverb clauses always begin with a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions introduce clauses and express their relation to the rest of the sentence. Noun clauses. Noun clauses are not modifiers, so they are not subordinators like adjectives and adverbs, and they cannot stand alone. They must function within another sentence pattern, always as nouns. A noun clause functions as a subject, subject complement, direct object, or object of a preposition. A noun clause usually begins with a relative pronoun like that, which, who, whoever, whomever, whose, what, and whatsoever. It can also begin with the subordinating conjunctions how, when, where, whether, and why. For example, whoever wins this game will play in the tournament. Task 1. Choose whether the underlying clause in each song lyric is an adjective, adverb, or noun clause. A. Adjective clause. B. Adverb clause. C. Noun clause. Number 1. I will not make the same mistakes that you did. Number 2. When the sun shines, we will shine together. Number 3. Wash away the thoughts inside that keep my mind away from you. Number 4. If they could love like you and me, imagine what the world could be. Number 5. That is what the summer is all about. Number 6. If it takes the rest of my life, baby, I'll wait for you. Number 7. Because you are mine, I walk the line. Number 8. Well, I'm what I am and I'm what I'm not, and I'm sure happy with what I've got. Number 9. As we lie beneath the stars, we realize how small we are. Number 10. We will have the life we knew we would. Number 11. Which one is the person who stole your car? Number 12. The bankers need to know what they should do. Number 13. Many people hope that Canada can resolve its economic problems. Number 14. It is important to ask whether the wedding is formal or semi-formal. Number 15. Unless the Crown can make a better case, the accused murderer will not be convicted. Number 16. That is the place where French and German armies fought. Answer of Task 1. Number 1. That you did. Noun clause. Number 2. When the sun shines. Adverb clause. Number 3. That keep my mind away from you. Noun clause. Number 4. If they could love like you and me. Adverb clause. What the world could be. Noun clause. Number 5. What the summer is all about. Noun clause. Number 6. If it takes the rest of my life. Adverb clause. Number 7. Because you are mine. Adverb clause. Number 8. What I am, what I'm not, what I've got. Noun clause. Number 9. As we lie beneath the stars. Adverb clause. Number 10. We knew we would. Noun clause. Number 11. Who stole your car? Noun clause. Number 12. What they should do. Noun clause. Number 13. That Canada can resolve its economic problems. Noun clause. Number 14. Whether the wedding is formal or semi-formal. Noun clause. Number 15. Unless the Crown can make a better case. Adverb clause. Number 16. Where French and German armies fought. Adverb clause. Task 2. Find the adjective, adverb, or noun clauses in these sentences. If it is an adjective or adverb clause, tell which word it modifies, and if it is a noun clause, tell if it is used as the subject, predicate nominative, direct object, appositive, indirect object, or object of the preposition. Number 1. Donna is my mother-in-law who died several years ago. Number 2. Atlantic City is where the boardwalk is located. Number 3. The man had an other back operation because he ruptured an other disc. Number 4. A nurse can find a job wherever she goes. Number 5. Now I understand why you didn't want to attend. Answer of task 2. Number 1. Who died several years ago is the adjective clause modifying the predicate nominative, mother-in-law. Number 2. Where the boardwalk is located is the noun clause used as the predicate nominative. Number 3. Because he ruptured an other disc is the adverb clause modifying the verb had. Number 4. Wherever she goes is the adverb clause modifying the verb can find. Number 5. Why you didn't want to attend is the noun clause as the direct object. This is the end of this topic. Please try the exercise below. Bye bye.